All right, everybody, as you can see, we're going to be taking a look at the 2018 Subaru Outback today. Stay with us right here on CCV at SMC. Well, this Outback's got a nice color to it. Kind of a nice mix between champagne and silver. And I really do like the Subaru Outback. Pretty nice looking car, right? It really is. It's got the good ground clearance for sure. I mean, it just sits up just the right height off the ground to go through a little gravel, little water puddles, you know, after a rainstorm, snow, a little bit of sand, whatever you want to do, right? That's kind of what's cool about these. Another thing I like about these vehicles is up top there on those roof racks. Now, I actually, before I started taking pictures of the car today, I took the crossbars and crossed them over just like you see right now. But you can fold them back where they're not crossed like that as well. So it's nice to see some factory roof racks on top of a car that are actually functional to be used to put things on top of the vehicle. Also, I've always liked the big fog lights down in the bottom of the bumpers on the Outbacks and any Subaru. It just gives it that kind of rally car look, which Subaru is definitely well known to be rally vehicles with their WRXs and STIs and, you know, all that kind of stuff. This one's very clean. As always, we are showing you a vehicle that is for sale right now in November 2021, just a week before Thanksgiving. So anyways, let's keep looking through and checking it out. Paint's in good shape. As you can see, no major scratches, no major dings or dents on the front of the car. Front bumper looks pretty good. As we move through, let's take a look at our wheels. This one's got alloy wheels, and you got Goodyear, no, actually BF Goodrich Advantage TA tires with plenty of tread. Mirrors look good. They don't have the lights in them, but that's okay. All right, moving right along. Let's take a look at the driver's side of the vehicle. The only little cosmetic blemish I've seen on the car today is just right here. Just a tiny little ding right there on the driver door with a small little scratch. Other than that, the rest of the car is in beautiful shape. Here's the back. Of course, as you already know, it's a hatchback. It's got backup camera and plenty of space in the rear to store all your stuff. This one's got the cargo cover, which looks nice. And then it does have down in here tools and things like that if you ever have to change out one of your tires. Back seats fold down, 40-60 back seats split. Some, if you get the limited package, will have the power tailgate. This one does not, but again, it does have right there the backup camera. All right, let's keep checking it out. Let's look at the back seats, then we'll hop in the front and take her back down to Southern Motor Company. Interior is super clean. This one's got the tan cloth seats. Also has a center armrest here with integrated cup holders. Another thing I kind of like is the back seat back here actually reclines back. As you can see right now, I got it pushed back all the way. You can grab right here and bring it like that if you want to sit up a little more, or press this. Actually, don't press that in. Press that in to drop it down, to fold it down flat on either side. And again, just press here and you can push it back a little farther if you're on a long road trip or something like that. Also, you can cover up the child restraint setup, or so you can actually plug in the child seats, which I think I'm doing that wrong. Anyway, I'll tuck it up in there a little bit, but very clean. You also have a power outlet in the back, spot to throw maps, tablets, iPads, and magazines. And as I spoke about earlier, you can take these and pop them and move them this way or that way, whatever the case may be. You got your shark's fin back there for XM Sirius satellite radio. If you're wondering, does it have blind spot monitoring system on the mirror? This particular one does not. It does have auto up down feature on both windows. That's one click on the button on both front sides here to go up or down spots to put bottles of water. And then driver's side does have power seat and lumbar support. And as you can see, the seats look really good. Go ahead and put our seat belt on. Armrest looks nice. Of course, we detail cars and make sure they're in spick and span condition. They look clean, but this car was actually really clean when we got it. Nice deep cup holders, a spot to throw some change at. Automatic transmission, electronic park brake. Also has the X mode here and hill assist. This vehicle is kind of made to go up into the mountains and that kind of stuff. Auxiliary, 2 USBs, and a 12 volt, all right there. What I also like about it too, since it's not the fully loaded version with the sunroof and leather and all that, it still does have a really nice big display screen here and heated seats on both sides in the front. And there's a big screen to show you that big, nice backup camera with guidelines. Also has manual shift. Put it right over into this. Then you got your paddle shifters right here on the steering wheel. And as far as safety features are concerned, you got your airbags up front, your side curtain airbags that cover up the windows and all that good stuff. So good things, right? Yeah, not bad. All right. It's pretty quiet inside the cabin. Also, if you didn't know already, Subarus come standard with all-wheel drive. Again, like the perfect four-door vehicle for living wherever you want to live in America. Price on this one today is just around $22,990 for a 2018 Outback with right at 104,000 miles. It holds its value quite well, as you can hear and see. These vehicles also are very reliable and they last quite a long time. I would think this car probably can still be on the road as long as it doesn't ever get in a heavy accident and totaled. It could be on the road for another 15, 20 years. The engine's pretty peppy. It feels pretty good. Thanks for watching the video with me today, everybody. If you want a Subaru Outback, don't hesitate to stop by Southern Motor Company and buy one. We keep several Outbacks on ground most days of the week and other sport wagons as well, as you can see right here in the background. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.